Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I kind of been away a little, and I'm just so glad to be back making videos. I have so many ideas to share with you. Like today, I want to share this wedding backdrop idea that you can do. I'm first gonna show you how I put this beautiful crystal chandelier from Amazon together. They come in twos for about close to $60. So I'm gonna put this together, and then at the end, or even in the intro, you will see my backdrop idea if you're having a baby blue, silver, and white wedding. Okay, here we go. I end up having to fix this centerpiece here because apparently there are different size poles. So the shorter pole goes on the bottom and the larger pole goes on the top. And when I realized that, I had to fix it. Okay, so this piece is the base here. I'm going over these instructions I'm going over how to put it together because the instructions were not that clear. So I'm taking the smaller pole, and then I'm gonna take this smaller screw here, and I'm gonna screw that in at the bottom. So screw it in some. And then I'm gonna take a little nut and secure it. And then they do give you this little tool to help you. So go ahead and secure that. Now that's the base. Then you take this little piece, put it here, and then there's a larger screw like this that you put in. Not too far in, because other pieces is gonna have to connect to this. So there's another piece like the one I just put on. So I'm turning that upside down like this. And then taking the larger pole and putting it on the top. One more piece. Now, I end up having two nuts left out. I'm not sure where they go. I think they probably go here, but I don't think it's gonna mess up the centerpiece by just leaving these two little nuts out. So let me finish the top off. There's a screw that looks like this, and you use that for the top. Now you have two different size crystals. So there is a longer crystal, of course, that's for the top. And then there is a shorter crystal, which is for the bottom. So this is the tedious part. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start putting these crystals on, and then I'll come back to you when I'm done. So I got the crystals on, and I just think they look so beautiful. Those two floral balls that are on top of the centerpieces, you get them in twos, and they also come from Amazon. And just if you have any questions about where I got any of this stuff, please just comment and let me know. This or if I miss anything, but the love table comes from Etsy, and you can get it from, I believe the vendor is called Uncle Fox. He's in Europe, so it does take like 30 days to get the table. There are other vendors on Etsy that can send it quicker, but I got it like, let's say $35 cheaper. So if you don't mind waiting, you can get it a little bit cheaper. And then as for the draping, I use, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 panels to get this look. And if you want to know about this comes, all the draping comes from Amazon as well. And if you want to know of the vendor, like there's a vendor on Amazon that sell like these soft polyester drapes that will give you these beautiful pleats. So like the second layer, that's like a heavier polyester. This is like the panels in the front is like a softer polyester, and you're able to get more pleats out of it. So I can let you know about that vendor as well. And I just used Chanel stems to create these swags or swoops, I don't know what you call them, but that's what I used to get this look. And then here in the middle, I just used a ribbon that I got from Walmart or Dollar Tree. So that's what I used here. So this is my wedding backdrop idea. And again, if you would like to, if you have any questions about any of this setup, please be sure to leave a comment below. And I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.